Have you ever gazed at the night sky and pondered over the mysteries it holds? From the moment our ancient ancestors first looked up at the star-studded canvas of the night, humanity has been captivated by the vast, unending cosmos. It's a fascination that transcends cultures and epochs, a universal wonder that binds us all. The cosmos, in its infinite expanse, is a testament to the grandeur of existence, a spectacle of dazzling celestial bodies suspended in the great cosmic ballet. It's an all-encompassing entity, a cosmic dance floor where galaxies pirouette, stars twinkle, and planets orbit. Think of early civilizations nestled under the night sky, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of the cosmos. They watched the stars, charted their movement, and imbued them with profound significance. The stars were not just distant points of light to them, they were the abodes of gods, the maps to distant lands, and the heralds of the changing seasons. Celestial bodies were the ancient world's timekeepers and navigators, guiding humanity through the ages. The Greeks, Romans, Egyptians, and countless others peered into the heavens and saw a reflection of their beliefs and fears. They formed constellations, mythical tapestries woven from stars, immortalizing their heroes and legends in the nightly spectacle. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, when the cosmos was seen as a divine creation, a celestial sphere with Earth at its center. This geocentric view, though later disproved, was the cornerstone of cosmological understanding for centuries. Then came the Renaissance, an era of enlightenment that birthed modern astronomy. With the advent of the telescope, our understanding of the cosmos expanded, and our place within it dramatically shifted. We were no longer at the center, we were but a small part of a vast cosmic stage. The cosmos, with its mind-boggling vastness and complexity, is like an unread book, its pages filled with mysteries yet to be deciphered. It's a testament to our innate curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. The cosmos is a vast, unexplored frontier filled with wonders beyond our comprehension. And yet, we strive to understand, to explore, to reach out to the stars, because that's who we are. We are the children of the cosmos, forever drawn to the mysteries of the universe. All great journeys start with a single step. For us, it was when we started observing the sky with a scientific perspective. Our understanding of the cosmos took a leap forward with the contributions of pioneers such as Galileo Galilei and Johannes Kepler. Galileo, often referred to as the father of modern observational astronomy, was the first to use a telescope to study the heavens. His observations of celestial bodies like the Moon, Venus, and Jupiter challenged the long-held geocentric view of the universe, where Earth was considered the center. He showed us that not only does the Earth revolve around the Sun, but other planets do too. Meanwhile, Johannes Kepler, a contemporary of Galileo, made significant strides in understanding the motions of planets. He proposed 3 laws of planetary motion, which accurately described the elliptical orbits of the planets around the Sun. His work laid the foundation for Isaac Newton's law of universal gravitation, taking us one step closer to understanding the intricate dance of celestial bodies. But the tool that truly revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos was the telescope. This simple device, capable of magnifying distant objects, transformed the night sky from a tapestry of tiny pinpricks of light into a vast, intricate universe waiting to be explored. With the telescope, astronomers could see beyond our solar system, discovering a multitude of stars, galaxies, and phenomena that we had no idea existed. The telescope has evolved significantly since Galileo's time. From humble beginnings of a few lenses in a tube, we now have colossal structures like the Hubble Space Telescope, which has peered billions of years into the past, allowing us to witness the birth and death of stars, the formation of galaxies, and the very edges of the observable universe. The invention of the telescope was a game changer, opening our eyes to the unimaginable depths of the universe. With every new technological advancement, we continue to push the boundaries of our understanding, making new discoveries and challenging our perceptions of our place in the cosmos. Did you know that our galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one among billions in the universe? It's an astonishing truth that has changed how we perceive our place in the cosmos. The Milky Way, our cosmic home, was first recognized as a distinct entity in the early 1700s by astronomer Edmund Halley. It was initially believed to be a nebulous cloud, but as telescopes improved, we began to see it for what it truly is: a vast, spiraling collection of stars, gas, and dust. Imagine, if you will, a gigantic, swirling disk with a bulging center and trailing spiral arms. That's the basic structure of the Milky Way. Our solar system, including Earth, is nestled within one of these spiral arms about 26,000 light-years from the galaxy's core. But here's where it gets truly mind-boggling. For a long time, we thought the Milky Way was the entirety of the universe. That is, until the early 20th century, when Edwin Hubble made a groundbreaking discovery. There were other galaxies beyond our own. Hubble observed tiny fuzzy patches of light, which he first thought were nebulous gas clouds within the Milky Way. But as he studied them further, he realized these were not within our galaxy at all. They were separate, distant galaxies. This was a revolutionary revelation. The Milky Way was not alone. It was just one of countless galaxies, each with billions, even trillions of stars spread across the vast expanse of the universe. Our understanding of the Milky Way and its place in the universe has evolved dramatically over the centuries. From a fuzzy band of light spanning the night sky to a distinct galaxy among a cosmic sea of galaxies, our perception of our cosmic home has undergone a radical transformation. The revelation of the Milky Way's true nature was humbling, showing us that we are but a small part of a much grander scheme. And yet, it's a scheme we continue to explore, driven by our insatiable curiosity about the cosmos. How did the universe begin, and what will be its fate? These are questions that have puzzled thinkers for ages. The most widely accepted answer to the first question comes from the Big Bang Theory. This is not just a popular TV show, but a scientific theory that suggests our universe burst into existence from an extremely hot and dense point, about 13.8 billion years ago. This was not an explosion in space, as the name might suggest, but rather an explosion of space. The evidence for the Big Bang Theory comes from multiple sources. The first is the cosmic microwave background radiation, a faint glow of light that fills the universe and can be detected in every direction. This light is the afterglow of the Big Bang, the heated remnants of this massive explosion. The second piece of evidence is the abundance of light elements. Shortly after the Big Bang, the universe cooled down enough for the first atoms to form. The theory predicts the amount of helium and hydrogen present in the universe, and observations match these predictions remarkably well. Lastly, we have the redshift of galaxies. When we look at distant galaxies, we observe that their light is shifted more towards the red end of the spectrum. This redshift indicates that these galaxies are moving away from us, implying that the universe is expanding. This brings us to the second part of our discussion, the fate of the universe. If the universe is expanding, what does this mean for its future? One possibility is that the expansion will continue indefinitely. In this scenario, galaxies will eventually drift so far apart that they will no longer be visible from one another. The universe will become a dark and lonely place. But these are just theories. As we gather more data and refine our understanding, the picture could change. We are just tiny creatures in an enormous universe, trying to understand our origins and our destiny. The Big Bang Theory gives us a glimpse into the past, while the expanding universe provides hints about the future. What if I told you that we can only see about 5% of the universe? Indeed, the cosmos is largely shrouded in mystery, with dark matter and dark energy making up about 95% of it. These invisible entities, though elusive, are the silent architects of the universe, dictating its structure and expansion. Dark matter was first postulated in the early 20th century when astronomers noticed something peculiar. Galaxies were spinning much faster than they should be, according to the observable matter they contained. This led scientists to theorize the existence of an unseen substance, now known as dark matter, that provides the extra gravitational force keeping these galaxies from tearing themselves apart. Meanwhile, dark energy, a concept even more enigmatic than dark matter, was discovered toward the end of the 20th century. Scientists studying distant supernovae found that the universe wasn't just expanding, it was accelerating in its expansion. This startling discovery suggested the presence of a mysterious force counteracting gravity and pushing galaxies apart, a force we now call dark energy. But despite our best efforts, dark matter and dark energy remain largely undiscovered territories in the cosmic map. We are still trying to understand their nature, their origins, and their implications. Even with all our sophisticated telescopes and supercomputers, we've barely scratched the surface of these cosmic enigmas. Dark matter and dark energy, though invisible, shape the universe as we know it. What lies ahead in our cosmic journey? The future of space exploration is truly exciting. We're looking forward to upcoming missions and breakthrough technologies that will revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos. Imagine telescopes that can peer into the farthest reaches of space, spacecraft capable of interstellar travel, and perhaps even the discovery of extraterrestrial life. The coming years will undoubtedly bring a new wave of cosmic revelations. As we continue to explore the cosmos, who knows what other astonishing discoveries await us?